Hi crafty people, this is Kelly from Crafty Kellys at www.craftykelly.co.uk. So, you may have caught my other video about the stamping press, and I also am bringing a product that I use all the time, and I've been using them for years, but it's so nice to be able to offer it in my range of products and, let's say, tools and storage. So you may, if you've watched my shows on Hobby Maker, may notice I keep everything, all my stamp sets, all my dies, I keep them in these like ephemera. I keep absolutely everything in these storage wallets. So we now have available, as part of my range, storage wallets. So in this, they are 17 centimeters by 22. You get 3 in a pack. They are popper storage wallets. And so, what have I got here? I've got a folded up piece of paper. That gives you an idea. So that's an A4 piece of paper folded in two, so A5. So they are a perfect A5 size. But for me, I literally store so many things in them. I've literally got a whole pile of them to the side of me there because I've used them for years and I find them really useful. So hopefully you will find these useful. Like I said, so it's a pack of 3. They're going to be $2.99 and available from Monday on Hobby Maker on my show. So if you need storage, come get some. Thanks very much. See you soon.